Hello, everyone. Welcome to English Podcast. We're so excited you're here with us today.
Hi there. Great to have you listening. I'm Mike.
And I'm Sarah. We create these podcasts to help you learn practical, everyday English.
That's right. If this episode helps you, please share it with your friends who are learning English.
Today, we have a timely and exciting topic. We're going to talk about plans for 2026.
Yes, we're already in 2026, and it's the perfect time to discuss your plans, goals, and dreams for this year.
Whether you're talking to friends, colleagues, or family, people will ask about your plans for the year ahead.
This episode will teach you how to express your intentions, set goals, and discuss what you hope to achieve in 2026.
So, Mike, what are your plans for 2026?
Well, I'm planning to focus on professional development this year. I want to take some courses to improve my skills and hopefully get a promotion by the end of the year.
That's ambitious. Notice how Mike said, I'm planning to, I want to, and hopefully. These are perfect ways to talk about future plans.
What about you, Sarah? What's on your agenda for 2026?
I'm hoping to travel more this year. I'd like to visit at least 3 new countries, and I'm also planning to start learning French seriously.
I'm hoping to, I'd like to, and I'm planning to. More excellent expressions. Today, we'll teach everyone how to discuss their 2026 plans naturally.
Let's get started.
First, let's learn different ways to talk about plans for 2026.
The most direct way is, I'm going to. This shows a definite plan.
I'm going to start my own business in 2026.
I'm going to move to a new apartment this year.
Another common expression is, I plan to, or I'm planning to.
I plan to save $10,000 this year.
I'm planning to get married in June.
You can use I want to express desire and intention.
I want to learn a new skill in 2026.
I want to improve my health this year.
I'd like to is more polite and softer.
I'd like to change careers.
I'd like to is the contraction of I would like to.
I hope to expresses wishes and aspirations.
I hope to finish my degree this year.
I'm hoping to sounds more natural in conversation.
I'm hoping to buy a house in 2026.
I intend to show serious commitment.
I intend to complete a marathon this year.
I aim to shows you have a target or goal.
I aim to read 50 books in 2026.
Now let's discuss specific areas where people make plans.
Many people focus on career goals for 2026.
You might say, I'm aiming for a promotion this year.
I'm working towards becoming a manager.
I'm going to ask for a raise in March.
I'm planning to switch companies in 2026.
I want to find a better job.
I'm hoping to start my own business.
I'd like to launch my startup by mid-year.
Professional development plans. I'm going to take some certification courses.
I plan to attend more conferences and networking events.
I want to improve my public speaking skills.
I'm hoping to learn new software relevant to my field.
Work-life balance goals. I'm going to set better boundaries at work.
I plan to take all my vacation days this year.
I want to stop working late every night.
Now let's talk about education and learning goals.
Education is a popular focus for 2026.
I'm going to enroll in graduate school this year.
I plan to finish my master's degree in 2026.
I'm hoping to get accepted into a PhD program.
Language learning. I want to become fluent in Spanish.
I'm planning to take French lessons starting in January.
I aim to reach intermediate level by December.
I'm going to practice English every day.
online learning, I'm planning to take 3 online courses.
I want to learn coding through online platforms.
I'm hoping to complete a data science certification.
Reading goals. I'm going to read 2 books per month.
I plan to read 30 books in 2026.
I want to read more nonfiction this year.
Let's discuss health and fitness plans.
Health is always a major focus for the new year.
Exercise goals. I'm going to join a gym in January.
I plan to work out 4 times a week.
I want to run my first 5K race.
I'm hoping to lose 15 pounds this year.
I aim to build more muscle.
Diet and nutrition. I'm going to eat more vegetables.
I'm planning to cut down on sugar.
I'm wanting to drink more water, at least 8 glasses daily.
I'm hoping to meal prep every Sunday.
Mental health goals. I'm planning to meditate every morning.
I want to reduce my stress levels.
I'm going to see a therapist regularly.
I plan to practice self-care more consistently.
Sleep goals. I'm hoping to get 8 hours of sleep every night.
I want to establish a better bedtime routine.
Now, let's talk about travel plans.
Travel is an exciting area for 2026 plans.
I'm planning to visit Japan in the spring.
I want to travel to 3 new countries this year.
I'm hoping to take a 2-week vacation in Europe.
I'd like to explore Southeast Asia.
I'm going to Paris in May.
We're planning a road trip across the country this summer.
I'm hoping to visit my family in Australia.
I want to go hiking in the mountains.
I'm planning to try scuba diving for the first time.
I'd like to go on a safari in Africa.
I'm going to explore more of my own country.
I plan to visit all the national parks in my state.
I'm hoping to travel on a budget this year.
I'm hoping to find cheap flights and affordable accommodations.
Let's discuss personal and relationship goals.
Many people focus on relationships in 2026.
I'm going to spend more quality time with my family.
I plan to call my parents at least twice a week.
I want to have monthly family dinners.
I'm hoping to reconnect with old friends.
I plan to be a better friend.
I want to make new friends in 2026.
I'm planning to propose to my girlfriend.
We're hoping to get married this year.
I want to work on my relationship and communicate better.
I'm going to work on my confidence.
I plan to overcome my fear of public speaking.
I want to become more organized.
I'm hoping to develop better time management skills.
Now, let's talk about financial plans.
Financial goals are very important for 2026.
I'm going to save $500 every month.
I plan to build an emergency fund.
I want to save for a down payment on a house.
I'm hoping to save $15,000 by the end of the year.
I'm planning to pay off my credit card debt.
I want to eliminate my student loans.
I'm going to stop using credit cards.
I'm planning to invest.
I want to learn about the stock market.
I'm hoping to invest 10% of my income.
I'm going to create and stick to a budget.
I plan to track all my expenses.
I want to cut unnecessary spending.
Let's practice some conversations.
Great idea. Sarah, let's role play. Ask me about my 2026 plans.
Okay, so Mike, we're in 2026 now. What are your main goals for this year?
My biggest goal is career advancement. I'm planning to take on more responsibilities at work and position myself for a promotion.
That's ambitious. What specific steps are you taking?
Well, I'm going to complete 2 professional certifications by June. I'm also planning to volunteer for high visibility projects.
That sounds like a solid plan. Any personal goals?
Yes, actually. I'm hoping to get healthier. I want to lose some weight and build a consistent exercise routine.
How are you going to approach that?
I'm joining a gym next week, and I'm planning to work out at least 3 times a week. I'm also going to cut out junk food.
Those are great goals. I hope you achieve them all.
Thanks. What about you? What are your plans for 2026?
Perfect. Now let me share my plans.
I'm all ears.
My main focus this year is travel and learning. I'm planning to visit Portugal, Iceland, and Morocco.
Wow, that's exciting. When are you planning these trips?
Portugal in March, Iceland in July, and Morocco in October. I'm spacing them out throughout the year.
That's smart. You mentioned learning, too.
Yes, I'm going to finally learn French. I've been saying I'll do it for years, but this time I'm serious.
What's your plan for learning?
I'm enrolling in an intensive course starting next month, and I'm planning to practice with native speakers using language exchange apps.
That's a comprehensive approach. I'm impressed.
I'm really motivated this year. I feel like 2026 is going to be my year.
These conversations show natural ways to discuss your 2026 plans.
It's important to make plans specific, not just general.
Instead of, I want to exercise, say, I'm going to the gym every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday morning.
Instead of, I want to save money, say, I'm planning to save $500 every month.
Use specific numbers. I'm going to read 24 books, 2 per month.
Set deadlines. I want to finish my certification by May 15th.
I'm planning to launch my website by March 1st.
I'm planning to call my grandmother every Sunday.
I plan to meditate for 10 minutes daily.
Break big goals into smaller steps. I'm going to lose 20 pounds. That's about 2 pounds per month.
I want to save $12,000. I'll save $1,000 each month.
Now, let's discuss challenges and realistic expectations.
It's good to acknowledge potential challenges.
I know it won't be easy, but I'm determined.
I might face obstacles, but I'm prepared.
I've struggled with this before, but this time I have a better plan.
Talking about motivation, I'm really motivated this year.
I'm more committed than ever.
I'm taking this seriously.
I'm not going to give up like I did last year.
I'm going to find an accountability partner.
I'm telling everyone about my goals so they can keep me accountable.
I'm joining a group to stay motivated.
Being realistic. I'm setting achievable goals this time.
I'm not trying to do too much at once.
I'm focusing on 3 main goals instead of 10.
I'm being realistic about what I can accomplish.
Let's talk about monthly and quarterly goals.
You can break 2026 into smaller periods.
First quarter goals, January through March. By the end of March, I want to have...
In Q1, I'm planning to establish my routine.
By spring, I hope to see significant progress.
By mid-year, I aim to...
In Q2, I'm going to focus on...
By summer, I want to have completed.
By every month, I'm going to...
By February, I should have.
In March, I plan to reach...
In winter, I'm focusing on indoor activities.
In spring, I'm going to start my garden project.
Summer is when I'll do most of my traveling.
Fall is when I'll concentrate on my studies.
Now let's discuss asking others about their plans.
To ask about someone's plans, what are your plans for 2026?
Do you have any goals for this year?
What are you hoping to achieve in 2026?
What's on your agenda for this year?
More specific questions. Are you planning any trips this year?
Do you have any career goals for 2026?
What do you want to accomplish this year?
Tell me more about your plans.
That sounds exciting. How are you going to do that?
What inspired you to set that goal?
How can I help you achieve that?
Let me know if you need any support.
Let's review all the key vocabulary.
Let's summarize the essential expressions for talking about 2026 plans.
Expressing plans. I'm going to, I plan to, I'm planning to, I want to, I'd like to.
More expressions. I hope to, I'm hoping to, I intend to, I aim to.
Career vocabulary. Promotion, raise, switch companies, start a business, certification, networking.
Education terms. Enroll, graduate school, fluent, intermediate level, online courses, certification.
Health and fitness. Join a gym, work out, lose weight, build muscle, meal prep, meditate.
Travel vocabulary. Visit, explore, road trip, vacation, budget travel, destination.
Relationship terms. Quality time, reconnect, propose, get married, work on relationship.
Financial terms. Save money, emergency fund, pay off debt, invest, budget, track expenses.
Time expressions. By the end of the year, by mid-year, in Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4, monthly, quarterly.
Motivation words. Determined, committed, motivated, serious about, focused on.
Challenge phrases. Obstacles, struggles, give up, stay motivated, accountability partner.
Achievement words. Accomplish, achieve, reach, complete, finish.
These expressions will help you discuss your 2026 plans confidently.
Let's summarize everything we've learned today.
We learned many ways to express plans and intentions for 2026.
We covered different goal categories: career, education, health, travel, relationships, and finances.
We discussed how to make goals specific with numbers, deadlines, and action steps.
We learned vocabulary for each area of life where people set goals.
We practiced natural conversations about sharing and discussing 2026 plans.
We talked about challenges, motivation, and staying realistic.
We learned how to break the year into smaller, manageable periods.
We covered questions to ask others about their plans and how to show interest.
We learned that 2026 is full of possibilities.
Whether your goals are big or small, specific or general, what matters is taking action.
Talking about your plans helps make them more real and keeps you accountable.
Now it's your turn to practice. Today's question is, what are your main plans or goals for 2026?
Please write your answer. For example, my main goal for 2026 is to improve my English. I'm planning to study for 30 minutes every day and take an English exam in September.
Or, I'm hoping to travel more in 2026. I want to visit at least 2 new countries and explore more of my own country too.
Or, my focus for 2026 is career growth. I'm planning to take leadership courses and apply for a management position by the end of the year.
Try to be specific. Include numbers, time frames, or specific actions.
The more detailed you are, the more real your goals become.
And remember, it's okay to adjust your plans as the year goes on. Life happens.
Thank you so much for listening to today's episode.
We hope this helps you talk confidently about your 2026 plans in English.
Keep practicing, keep planning, and keep working toward your dreams.
We wish you an amazing and successful 2026.
We'll talk to you next time on English Podcast.
Make it a great year.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye.